I'm just preparing for dinner and I'm gonna experiment right now. All right, this is just for dinner, and I thought I'd show it to you because if it turns out well, this is how you can make zucchini fries, Parmesan zucchini fries. Not sure if it's gonna work. Okay, I got some almond flour, I got some zucchinis, got some Parmesan cheese, I got salt and pepper, and I got some thing of oil. So we're going to experiment right now. You guys ready? Hey, it's just for dinner. Okay, first thing I'm gonna ask you to do is you're gonna take your cucumber and cut it in half. Cut the ends off, clip the very end, all right? Then you're gonna take your cucumber and it looked like this, and you're gonna, well, I can't recreate it. Maybe it was like this. I don't know. But anyway, you're gonna cut it in half. You're gonna want pieces like this, okay? And then you're gonna slice this into French fries, okay? So it'll resemble the length and size of reasonable fries. That's your first step. Then bring them all here with a big mixing bowl. Okay, guys, that's what it looks like. Got a whole bunch in here, and we're gonna do the laziest method possible, okay? First, we may do many experiments on improving this method. But for right now, you got everything in like little French fry pieces. So you got them all in there, maybe a little bit bigger than French fries. Just drizzle some oil on top. Do some almond flour. There we go. I'm eyeballing this, guys. I have no measurements. I've never done this before. This may be a complete failure. A little pepper. And French fries gotta have salt, right? Little salt. Okay. You know what? We're just gonna throw our cheese in there too. Everything's in there. And have at it. Okay, it's all mixed up. Got your almond flour in there and your cheese and everything, salt and pepper. So now we're gonna lay this out. Now, if these work, I'll cook up the rest of these, okay? But I got a nice sheet full of these. We're gonna bake them, try them. If they work, they're a home run, we'll put them to the side. We'll bake up the rest, we'll make more, it'd be awesome. Okay guys, these came hot out of the oven. I can still feel the heat. Gonna let them dry up a little bit. Pulled a lot of the moisture out. I probably should have, now that I'm looking at it, they're a little soft and kind of soggy. So I'm gonna let them dry out a little bit, but I probably should have salted them first, then patted out the water that the salt drew out of these. That's what I probably should have done. Now that I'm thinking about it, we might just try that on another video. I got a little bit of wing sauce, garlic parmesan wing sauce, I'm gonna dip in and try it out. So let's let these cool, then we'll try them out, okay? Just give you a little peek into the Scalfani home. We've been doing, every week, we've been doing menus. So we've been buying for 7 days, and we cook dinners and all that stuff. So anyway, this looks great. I didn't do 350, I turned it up to 450, because if you want to get the outside crisp, but keep the moistness on the inside, like a French fry, you kind of want it kind of soft a little bit, but crispy on the outside. You probably want to go a little bit higher heat on the outside and cook it faster on the outside. So basically, we're doing hamburgers on 0-carb bread or lettuce, one or the other. We may do it In-N-Out style. I don't know. And then we're putting these on the side with a little bit of Parmesan garlic dip. We'll try it out. So let's see how it came out. First, let's just try it by itself. Doesn't replace French fries. Doesn't taste like French fries. Doesn't have the texture of French fries. But it's crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. They taste good. They taste seasoned. They taste cheesy. It's really a good replacement as a side dish. Not a French fry replacement, but a side dish replacement. Do these kind of zucchini fries this way. My mouth's watering. These are really good. I'm gonna cut up the rest of my zucchinis and pop another batch in the oven. If I learn anything new, I'll stick it on the end of this video. If not, you guys take care and I'll see you in the next episode. Love you.